Welcome Helena Coffee Vietnam. Today we talk all about Vietnam coffee beans. Vietnam is a major coffee exporter with a large coffee market. Like roasted and ground, instant, filter, machine, and chain coffee. Small and large coffee shops nationwide. We drink a lot of coffee, but we may not understand the bean. Vietnam coffee beans. I can help you learn more about coffee, start drinking it, or find your perfect cup. Vietnamese coffee beans. Vietnamese fresh coffee beans. Vietnam has a small coffee growing region, but there are 4 types of fresh coffee beans, each with a different flavor. Local and export production and consumption are huge, with flavor, scent, and biological differences.
1. Robusta coffee beans. Robusta coffee beans, Voi coffee, are the world's most popular, not just in Vietnam. These beans make up 1/3 of the world's coffee. Robusta coffee thrives in 800 to 1,000 meters high basaltic red soil. It's used to make coffee in Vietnam, where the climate and soil are ideal. Produces 90% of the nation's total. Robusta coffee has a light aroma, bitter but not sour flavor, high caffeine content, and brown coffee water. Bitter flavor identifies this coffee because it's richer and more intense than other coffee beans during the early, non-fermented manufacturing stage. This bitter, passionate coffee is unpopular throughout Europe.
2. Arabica coffee beans. Arabica coffee, commonly called tea coffee, is a popular type of coffee. Arabica coffee is better and rarer. Arabica coffee is hard to grow. Arabica coffee requires a 1,500 meter height in a mild, temperate climate with a high of 330 degrees and a minimum of 50 degrees. Because of this, Arabica coffee is less popular in Vietnam than Robusta. Arabica coffee is pricey and chosen by coffee corporations, well-known brands, and coffee connoisseurs. Europe and America love this coffee. Arabica coffee is pricey and chosen by coffee corporations, well-known brands, and coffee connoisseurs. Europe and America love this coffee.
3. Cully coffee beans. Café Cully, Café by Peaberry, are missing coffee beans in many normal coffees. Robusta beans abound. Arabica coffee, which has 2 beans per fruit, produces changed beans with a 5% mutation rate. Coffee berries are picked and handled differently. Mutant coffee beans have extremely high caffeine levels, resulting in a range of aromas and scents, sometimes with a richer, fatter, and more persistent bitterness.
4. Cherry coffee beans. Cherry coffee beans, jackfruit coffee, require minimal care. It's productive and resistant to pests and diseases. The finished product can endure drought without further watering. Cherry coffee is not generally drunk because of its acidic, less bitter flavor than coffee. Liberica and Excelsa are coffee cherries. Cherry coffee beans offer a gentle scent and refreshing tart taste when brewed. Cherry coffee beans are shiny and bright. This coffee's acidic flavor, lack of harshness, and subtle aroma are perfect for women. Thank you for watching. See you again video next.